Hello guys and welcome back. We have another episode of our hair dudes. So let's get started. In this one, we twist our hairs and then we tie it into a low bun and secure it with a pair of bobby pins. To add some another element, we're adding some fancy pins. In the next one, we're going to make a high pony. Then we're going to make a twist as shown in the video. Then we're going to roll it over to make a fun bun and then secure it with the bobby pins and then some stylish pins to end it up. In the next one, we're going to make clip and then we're going to make a half tie and use our different section of hair and then twist them a little and then click it into the different parts of the clip. We can use 3 parts as if you want. In the next one, we're going to make a roll of the hairs as just shown in the video. Then we're going to use this Japanese clip to secure it over. In the next one, again we're using these big clips with 3 clips on it. Then we're going to use 2 sections from different areas and then clip it down. You have to twist it a little to make it look seamlessly. In the next one, we're going to make ponytail and then we're going to twist it over and then round it, and then we're going to use this clip to make sure that our bun looks very elegant and stays for a longer period of time. In the next one, we're going to make a ponytail and then we're going to use this hair belt to make another bun. Buns are very beautiful hairstyles and they're very easy to make, so we add this one. In the next one, we're going to make another lace ponytail and then we're again using this clip with 3 pins, and then we're going to make our ponytails into 3 different parts, and then we're going to add a rubber band and the clip to make it very elegant. Thank you guys for watching.